So the guides begin and say to her, okay, we want to talk about your relationship with your mother. And I see Freya do a number of things. Like all these emotions all over her face, like, yes. And also, no. Like, oh, you could just see the torturous feelings that brought up, eh? And the guides began by saying, okay, so we're going to talk about this today, but we want to begin by saying and showing you how much we are proud of what you are doing. So let's get Karen to happy dance in her seat. And I did, quite happily, and celebrate that and acknowledge that she's working on it, that she's doing her best, and that she is researching, and they listed things, Kelly. They would go on and say things like that she listens to podcasts, that she reads books, that she's in therapy. She's been in therapy in the past. They pointed out a variety of things, like they showed her journaling. They showed her writing letters, like to her mom, all kinds of things, and said, look, we want first for her to know we see every attempt, and we are pointing it out because we want to show you the attempts that her mother has made. None.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.